If you're watching this message found you for a reason because I want to confirm to you what might be happening in July because there is something on my spirit that just feels lighter and I don't feel as heavy. And that emotional weight that I carry is not as burdensome as it usually is. And I wonder if you feel this too, because if it does, then this message is something that you should listen to in its entirety because I just want to talk about what I'm picking up on as we move into July, into the second half of the year, and what awaits us. Because I feel that so many people at this point are very frustrated or they feel stuck or they're only now just gaining momentum despite it being July already. And that could be quite alarming for people because time tends to speed up at this point, but it also means that your progress could also pick up speed at this point and really take off. So in the coming months, we're going to go through the seasons where the beauty of the spring and the growth that occurred is going to start producing fruit. And then we will be able to harvest that fruit. And it's very aligned with what is happening in your life and the progress you've been making and the lessons you've been applying and the change you've been trying to create. Because we're at a point in this time of life where it either makes you or breaks you. And many people are finding and turning to a higher power. They're turning to God and they're starting to see through the illusion of the world and how we've been lied, and trust in institutions and authority is waning. And it's part of this mass awakening that is taking place in this. It's creating a timeline split between two worlds. And if you're watching this, I feel like we're operating in the end of days, but not in a dystopian way. It's more of like an age of light where things are going to hopefully bring things back into balance. There's so much darkness in the world. And we're at this point in time where people are seeking true relationships. They're seeking the truth because they're so tired of being lied to at this point. And there's so much dysfunction that people just want to heal from, especially in their own lives, in their relationships, in their career. They realize how dysfunctional society has become. And there's wisdom in that if you see it this way, because you're able to make change in your own life. And then that inspires others. So you're entering naturally a whole different world in this aspect and bringing some much needed stability to your life because you've built this foundation over the course of the year, but also the last few years have been major change in you and the evolution that has transpired and everything you've been blessed with and your relationship with God and the divine has been enhanced and you feel closer to God than ever. And this is what's ahead of you because this change leads to many blessings that are going to favor you and come in different forms from this point on because the work you've done is starting to bear the fruit. And this is like changes in your finances, in your relationships, finding love, just feeling happy and more at peace, knowing that God is providing you this perspective and lessons to achieve this state. And that within itself has been so enlightening and eye-opening for you that you feel almost blessed to be given challenges by God because it only makes you stronger. It makes you more resilient and more wise and more cunning and more adaptable. So you're growing with this timeline split and what is happening on a collective level and in the world. So I feel like 2026, the latter half is going to look very different from the first half because at this point, things are just going to compound. There is so much change within you and within us that it has no choice but to show itself in the physical world. So all the work you've done beneath the surface and the growth that has occurred is going to just continue to implode from this point. People are moving at exponential rates. Their timelines are collapsing. They're achieving things in a matter of months that have taken years of work to reach to this point. And those rewards are just a compound growth that has allowed this blessing to form within you and then in your external reality. So everything starts within and then comes outwards. So this is what's happening in July. We're unfolding, and it's going to really start to pick up speed in the coming months, and you will start to receive blessings. And I feel like you're feeling lighter in the summer and not so burnt out lately. You're really starting to take care of your health and your priorities and putting yourself first and not giving into those old patterns, wanting better for yourself and taking yourself and your self-respect seriously. All of this is just massive growth that is going to produce a massive harvest for you to enjoy and to hopefully multiply in the coming years. And this is going to set the tone for the next 10 years. So this really is the start of something profound for you. I feel like you're at a pivotal point in your life. So this is what I'm picking up for July and beyond. So if this resonates, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. If you feel aligned with this, if you feel this shift, if I'm even right at all, I want to hear from you and what you're experiencing and what you're picking up on, because that allows you to just really connect with that wisdom and that divine intelligence that comes from within and really honors the work that you've been doing. So I'm really proud of you, and I'm so excited to be on this journey with you and to witness this beautiful unfolding. And I'm so blessed to be guided by God because I trust him with what comes next, and I believe it's good. It might be scary at times, but we don't need to be afraid. So this is just a positive confirmation of what I hope for you and what I hope you feel in your spirit. And otherwise, I'm going to leave it at that. I love you so much, but remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.